Okay guys, I'll be making beef Sotanghon. It's a noodles, so beef noodles. First one is garlic. I'm gonna saute the garlic, the tomato, the orange pepper. I just used a little bit of it, and then onions, and then the string onions or green onions. And here's my beef. I just cut it into strips, and then I'm gonna be putting onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And I'll be using 2 bouillon cubes. I'm leaving some green onions for toppings later. Okay, and then now I'll be start cooking. I have this pot ready over here, and then I'll be putting probably 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I saute the veggies. Okay, veggies in the pot, and I'll just have to stir that. Okay, I sauteed it for 3-5 minutes, and then I'm going to be adding the beef in there. Okay, here's the beef. Then garlic powder, tablespoon. Salt to taste, and black pepper or ground pepper. A teaspoon. Now add the beef bouillon. One. Okay, there's 2 beef bouillon in there. That one. And then I'll add. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of water, but I'm gonna put 4 or 5 cups of water. Okay, I know there's a lot of beef in there, but I like meat, so you can just use like a 1/4 pound of beef. Yeah, not too much beef. Okay, and then I will be adding water. A cup for now, but I'll add more later, like 3 or 4 cups. And then I'll cover it, and then let it boil, probably into medium-high heat. Okay, I put 4 cups in there, that water, and then let it boil. And then that's it, and then I'm gonna put the noodles. Okay, I add more salt to that because there's a lot of water. You just have to taste it if it's tastes good or salty enough for you or not. So I'll wait till it boils. Okay, I have that boiling, and then I'll be adding this kind of noodles. Probably just 2. Okay, there's the noodles. I'm just gonna stir it. I'm gonna add the cabbage. I should put the cabbage first before the noodles. It's alright. It will cook. And we like the cabbage kind of raw anyways. You can eat cabbage raw.
My finger was in the way and it couldn't get out.
You can put it in there now. I add one more because I like the noodles. And then just kind of let it simmer. Hey guys, here's my beef noodle soup. That's how it look. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video. Bye bye.